There is a specific kind of silence that exists only in the presence of absolute transparency. It is the silence of a recording studio before the first note is struck, where the air itself feels heavy with potential. For years, high-end audio has chased this phantom, trying to strip away the mechanical artifacts of the transducer until only the performance remains. But in that pursuit of clinical perfection, something was often lost: the physical weight of sound. The snap of a snare drum that you feel in your chest, the subterranean growl of a synth that moves more than just air. With the LCD-5s, Audeze isn't just asking you to listen to the music, they are asking you to feel the pressure of the moment it was created. This is not a headphone designed to be polite. It is a headphone designed to be undeniable. The trajectory of Audeze's flagship line has always been a tension between power and precision. The original LCD-4 was a heavyweight champion of the analog era, massive, dark, and possessed of a legendary slam that defined the brand. Then came the LCD-5 in 2021, a radical departure that prioritized lightness and surgical accuracy above all else. It was a technical marvel that won over the mastering world, but left some longtime enthusiasts missing the visceral, physical energy of the older models. The stakes for the LCD-5s, debuting in early 2026, are personal. Audeze is attempting to reconcile these two opposing philosophies, the hyper-resolution of the modern era and the kinetic soul of their heritage. They are navigating the last mile of planar magnetic engineering, where the goal is no longer just to reproduce a frequency, but to reproduce an impact. To appreciate the S in the new flagship, one must look at the foundation laid by the original LCD-5. It was the headphone that broke the 500-gram barrier for Audeze, utilizing a 90mm driver and the nanoscale parallel uniforce voice coil to achieve a level of speed that rivaled electrostatic systems. It was praised for its ruler-flat mid-range and its ability to expose micro details that other headphones simply smoothed over. However, the incumbent was not without its critics. Some found the clamp force too aggressive for long sessions, and others noted that while the bass was perfectly accurate, it lacked the physical oomph or slam that had made Audeze famous. The LCD-5 was a precision tool, but for some, it felt like a tool that had been sharpened so much it had lost its edge in musical engagement. The defining technical shift in the LCD-5s is the introduction of SLAM, Symmetric Linear Acoustic Modulator technology. Originally teased in the CRBN2 electrostatic model, SLAM is an acoustic management system integrated directly into the driver structure. In simple terms, SLAM is a patent-pending method of controlling the airflow and pressure behind and in front of the diaphragm. At its core, it addresses a fundamental limitation of planar drivers, the tendency for low-frequency energy to lose its physical pressure as it dissipates through the magnet array. By modulating the air resistance symmetrically, SLAM forces the 90mm diaphragm to behave with greater pistonic efficiency at low frequencies. This isn't a digital bass boost, it is a physical optimization of how the wave is launched toward the ear. Combined with a revised impedance of 30 ohms, up from the LCD-5's 14 ohms, the LCD-5s offers a more stable load for high-end amplifiers, allowing for better voltage swing and headroom. The S version also sees a slight increase in weight to 475 grams, a deliberate trade-off to accommodate the more complex SLAM acoustic chambers and the redesigned, more cushioned earpad architecture. The evolution from the LCD-5 to the LCD-5s represents a move toward a more natural authoritative sound. While the original was often described as shouty in the upper mids due to a deliberate ear gain peak at 3 kHz, the LCD-5s has been retuned for a smoother transition into the treble. The challenger here is the very concept of flatness. The LCD-5s challenges the industry standard that a reference headphone must be lean. It posits that a truly accurate monitor must also reproduce the physical pressure of a live performance. Visually, the evolution is subtle but intentional. The grandpa's glasses tortoiseshell acetate remains, but the internal hardware has been reinforced with magnesium and carbon fiber to handle the new acoustic pressures and the redesigned, more cushioned earpad architecture. The challenger in this space is no longer just about who has the thinnest diaphragm, but who can control the air around that diaphragm with the most sophistication. If the original LCD-5 was a high-resolution photograph, sharp, clear, and perfectly lit, the LCD-5s is the same image but with depth of field and texture you can almost touch. Conceptually, we're moving from resolution to presence. Where the original might tell you exactly where a bassist's fingers are on the fretboard, the LCD-5s tells you how hard they're pulling the strings. In terms of drivability, the shift to 30 ohms makes the LCD-5s less finicky about the output impedance of your amplifier, though it remains a hungry transducer that demands at least 500 milliwatts to breathe properly. It is a headphone that rewards a high current source, revealing its newfound slam only when the amplifier can keep up with its transient demands. The LCD-5s enters a landscape that has become increasingly crowded with ultra-flagships. In the 2024-2025 cycle, we saw the release of the HiFiMAN Susvara Unveiled, which took the opposite approach to Audeze by removing the protective grills entirely to achieve maximum openness. While the Susvara Unveiled offers perhaps the widest soundstage in the world, it lacks the rugged, studio-ready build and the low-end physical impact of Audeze. Another major competitor is the Meze Elite II, which continues to prioritize organic timbre and lushness over raw data analysis. The Elite is for the listener who wants to be bathed in sound. The LCD-5s is for the listener who wants to be hit by it. Finally, the Dan Clark Audio E3 and the Expanse continue to push the boundaries of metamaterial tuning, offering a very smooth response that can sometimes feel overly processed compared to the raw, visceral delivery of the LCD-5s's SLAM technology. Audeze has positioned the LCD-5s as the third way, combining the technicality of HiFiMAN with a physical energy that Meze and DCA often trade away for comfort or smoothness. For the person wearing the LCD-5s, the most immediate impact is the sensation of moving air. In early impressions, listeners often describe a palpable quality to the subbass that was missing in the previous generation. The redesigned earpads play a massive role here. They're more sculpted and use a slightly different foam density to ensure a perfect seal, which is the bloodline of SLAM technology. If you break the seal, you lose the magic. The comfort has also been recalibrated. While 475 grams is heavier than the 420-gram original, the weight distribution has been improved through a wider carbon fiber suspension band. The clamp is still firm. This is a professional tool designed to stay on your head during a mixing session, but it no longer feels like a vice. The impact is one of confidence. You're not guessing about the low end anymore. You're not wondering if the treble is too sharp. You're simply standing in the room with the music. The LCD-5s is a signal that the race to the bottom in terms of weight and race to the top in terms of brightness may be over. We're entering a phase of refinement, where the physical experience of audio is being treated with the same scientific rigor as the frequency response graph. By bringing the SLAM technology into their flagship line, Audeze has effectively closed the loop on the LCD story, bridging the gap between the legendary soul of the LCD-4 and the modern precision of the LCD-5. As we look toward the future of high-end audio, the LCD-5s suggests that perfection is a moving target. It reminds us that we don't just hear with our ears, we hear with our bodies. In a digital age where everything is becoming increasingly ethereal and weightless, there is something profoundly grounding about a piece of technology that reminds you of the physical reality of sound. The LCD-5s isn't just a better version of what came before, it is a restoration of what we almost forgot to value, the impact of the truth.